keep looking at the light and it's really bright. No! Please don't throw up when you see me like spinning on this chair. This is very awkward. Hey guys, it's Kimmy. Welcome to today's episode of Get Ready With Me. Today I'm showing you a mix of drugstore beauty products, stuff that I love that may be a little bit expensive, and stuff that I have just recently started using that I'm just testing out for you guys. So here goes. Okay, let me start off by showing you what I'm going to be using. My personal preferred brush, face brush, I guess you would call it. This is the Hourglass like dual-ended brush from Sephora. None of any of my products are sponsored. I bought this brush like last year and I use it every time I do my makeup and I love it. That is all. That's what I'm gonna use for like my cheeks, my bronzer, and my blush. So I have never in my life tried this bronzer before. It's by Annabelle. It's just a BB bronzing powder. I'm going to try this Wet n Wild Apricot in the Middle blush. I have used this before. It's not very dark. It's like a sunny spring-ish day outside, so I want to look like an apricot. I'm gonna blend those things in with my damp beauty blender. I think I got this one from Sephora. The trusted Tarte Shape Tape, and I use Fair Beige Benefit They're Real mascara. I've only used it once and I like the way it looks, so I'm gonna try it again today. I might not film that part because watching somebody put mascara on is super weird. This Benefit, also by Benefit, this was a 2-pack. These two things came in a 2-pack, but this is for my eyebrows. I've also used this once. It's like a little, the tint is a little weird for me, for my color of hair. But if you don't put on too much, it seems to be okay. Again, I've only used it once, so we'll try that today and see how it goes. I just dropped it. My favorite thing ever is this Touche Eclat by Yves Saint Laurent, and it's definitely past its expiration. I've had this for like 2 years and it was 6 months, so I'm gonna use it today and then I might throw it out. I might not though, because it was like $50. For my lips, I'm gonna use this MAC Velvet Teddy. Love these. It's just a lipstick. I've used it so many times that there's like no point on it anymore. And then my NYX Butter Gloss in Tiramisu, I'll put that over top. And to set my face, this Colleen Rothschild Beauty Water. I don't know what's beautiful about it, but hey, it smells good and I like it. Let's get started. I'm gonna start with the bronzing powder. If you see me looking over here again, it is my mirror, so. So I'm essentially just contouring with this bronzer because it's easier. I always take it down my neck, so my neck is in a different color than my face. Next, apricot in the middle. I always use the other end of my brush for this one. I don't know. When I was like 12, I was like, well, everything comes with a makeup brush. Why would you buy makeup brushes? But it's like, what is this for? Like, I do put blush on my nose because it's adorable. I just realized that I forgot to do my Shape Tape. I usually do that first. I have a little friend down here that I don't want to look at. My arm's getting tired. Makeup's so random, like, I mean, it's random in the sense that, like, you're just putting pigment onto your skin for absolutely no reason. Trying to look like a different shape, but, like, you, like, put light stuff on one part and then dark stuff on another part, and people are like, I just think it's hilarious. That being said, though, I think a lot of things are hilarious. You have to laugh in life. If you don't, it's gonna be a long one. So, I'm kind of far away from the mirror and I'm not wearing my glasses, but I think this looks good. If it doesn't, let me know. Oh, this is so old. Oh, this is awkward. Okay, hoping for the best here. No. I don't recommend. I'm just thinking about the fact that I put like a 1.5 year old past expiry date makeup like directly under my eyes. I don't recommend doing that. That's probably a really bad idea. If you don't know that your makeup has like sort of like a little open jar symbol. Every makeup should have this. If it doesn't, I wouldn't probably buy it. Saying that how long after you open it and start using it, it's good for. This one was 6 months. A lot of them are 12 months and some are 24. And you shouldn't use your makeup after it expires because it can mess up your skin and give you rashes and I'm sure do other things. I'm not a doctor or a scientist, look it up. But yeah, so just don't do what I do. Okay. I feel like that's blended enough. I guess now is a good time to set this stuff. I didn't bring any powder to set it, I'm just using this water. What's next? Eyebrows. Okay, this is gonna be really hard to do. I just realized that I've done this like once using this brush, so. I brought a mirror. Please forgive me. This mirror is like over a decade old, probably a decade and a half. And in fact, I think it belonged to my mom before I took it. It used to have a handle that broke off. I don't know if you can see that. But like Jeffree Star, hit me up. I would love one of your mirrors. Old or new. Love them all. Ooh, now that I can see myself up close, I'm like, I did not blend that well. Okay, wait. I need to doctor this. Back to brows. I definitely can and should trim my brows. Okay, I just did my eyelashes, as you can definitely tell, because they are way more voluminous. I like this mascara. I just forgot that word. I like it. I didn't even use lash primer, which I always use. So anyway, let's do lips. I always do my lips in front of a mirror, so I'm just gonna go ahead and keep up that trend. I think that looks okay. Well, I would like to say that this is the finished look. I don't think I forgot any steps. I usually do when I make a video. I'm like, oh yeah, I didn't do that thing that I always do every time I make my makeup. I make up my face. I like to make up my face. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed doing my makeup for you. I enjoy the way I look when I do my makeup. It's fun to look like a different person completely. Last time I did my makeup, I went to work wearing like only mascara. And I asked my supervisor the same, I asked her a question and she just like looked at me. So I like repeated my question thinking that she didn't hear me. And she was like, your eyelashes are like, bam. Thank you. Thank you kindly. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the subscribe button. If you hit the notification bell, you will be notified every time I post. I will always tell you before I post a video until I figure out a regular schedule, which maybe will never happen because I work shift work. Love you guys. Thanks for following along. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I even have a Facebook page if you're into that kind of thing. I never go on it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. I am not a beauty guru. Hi, welcome to Kimmy T's channel. I'm not a beauty guru. This brush was $85.